Welcome to our comprehensive review of the Rabbit R1, a groundbreaking AI device designed by Jessie Liu and Teenage Engineering. With a staggering 100,000 pre-orders, the R1 made a splash in the tech world. It offers a novel way to interact with AI, combining a playful design with simple, intuitive controls. Priced at $200, the R1 is not only accessible but also introduces the concept of an AI Pokédex. This concept invites us to explore digital wonders in new ways, promising a revolution in our interaction with technology. Today, we'll explore this device's market impact and reality behind its ambitious promises. Let's dive deeper into the design of the Rabbit R1. Created by the innovative team at Teenage Engineering, this device isn't just another gadget. It's an invitation to engage with the possibilities of AI in a fresh, playful manner. Its quirky design and simple controls serve as a gateway to potentially transformative consumer-friendly technology. A walkie-talkie button for voice commands and a roll navigator enhance its usability, making it feel more like a sci-fi comic book item than conventional tech. Jessie Liu envisioned the Rabbit R1 as an AI Pokédex, making AI interactions educational and fun. This concept sets the R1 apart, positioning it more as an intriguing AI playground than just a direct smartphone substitute. However, not all that glitters is gold. Despite its innovative outset, the Rabbit R1 encountered several real-world challenges. Crafted to simplify AI technology, its translation from a captivating concept to an engaging user experience uncovered significant gaps. Many users reported that while its design is engaging, the R1's functionality does not fully deliver. The voice search feature, lacking internet connectivity, provides limited, pre-programmed answers, falling short of user expectations for dynamic AI interactions. Moreover, the vibrant screen serves more as a static display than as an interactive portal. Users expressed disappointment in the superficial nature of AI engagement, highlighting a need for deeper, more meaningful interactions. Looking ahead, what does the future hold for the Rabbit R1? Its distinct feature of photo engagement hints at hidden capabilities that could significantly broaden its consumer appeal by making digital interactions more intuitive and insightful. Moving forward, Rabbit plans to enhance the R1's AI, potentially introducing Rabbits, AI agents capable of performing a variety of tasks, striving to make it an indispensable part of our digital lives. Balancing advanced AI capabilities with consumer affordability continues to pose a struggle. Observing this journey, we question whether the R1 will transform from an experimental gadget to a necessary digital tool. This device stands at a crucial juncture between being a mere novelty and becoming a necessary part of our tech ecosystem. Its release captured the imagination with the promise of a new era in AI interaction. Yet, real-world reactions have shown both the potential and limitations of the R1. Despite its playful and innovative approach, there remains room for improvement in functionality and depth of AI interactions. Looking to the future, Rabbit hints at enhancements that could transform these beginnings into robust technological tools. So, stay tuned. The journey of the Rabbit R1, from a playful novelty to a potential necessity, is still unfolding.